the Lunar New Year, a celebration of renewal and hope. But this year, something else is happening. Strange lights have begun to appear in the skies, visible in cities across the world. At first, they seemed like nothing more than firecrackers or drones. But as reports flooded in, the truth became undeniable. Across the globe, these lights have been spotted, hovering over cities, moving in impossible patterns and vanishing without a trace. Are they observing us, testing us, or are they preparing us for something much larger? Then came the discovery. In the silent depths of space, the James Webb Telescope detected something extraordinary, an object of unimaginable size traveling toward Earth. Scientists first thought it was an asteroid, but the data told a different story. This was no rock. This was a ship. Even more unsettling, it seems the ship has already sent scouts, glowing orbs, studying our world, analyzing our defenses, observing our lives. In my research and fiction, I've always believed that we are not alone, that the universe is far more complex than we can imagine. But what we're witnessing now is unprecedented. The question is not if they are coming, but why. What do they want, and why now? What do they want? Why are they coming? Get ready for a new era.